All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Exciting day today, as you'll be able to see by the thumbnail. I have got a new car coming to the channel, coming to the shed, or wherever wherever. I'm pretty excited about this. It's something that I've been looking at for over a year now, and wanting to get into some drifting and some more circuit stuff. So I've purchased a car without an engine or gearbox, and we're gonna go pick it up now. So yeah, let's go do it. Pumped. All right, so I've just picked it up. I'm so pumped with this. Oh shit, come up, smile off my face. So you can see it there. Can't quite tell what it is, but I'm so happy with this, and I'm so keen to get this build underway. So yeah, until I'm at the shed, I'll give you guys a good look. All right, so at the shed, got the car here. Yeah, well, I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to show you what I got myself. So there it is. It is an 88 BMW M3. Was a track car, and got it off a bloke around the corner. It's been up. It was up for sale for ages, but wasn't really pushing it, and just didn't have space for it. Oh, I had space for it, but just wasn't really using it, and didn't have the time or the means to sort of get it back to where he wanted it. So I sort of, yeah, put my hand up to take over and get back into it and build something that I want and something that I'm keen to get into, and which is a bit of drifting stuff, a bit of circuit stuff. It's really filthy. I should have taken the time to give it a wash, but time is money these days. But this is it. This is where I'm at. Yeah, and I've been talking to Jake Jones, who, aka Drift Squid, who's going to help me sort of set the car up, which is going to be awesome. The car is actually going to get a 6-litre LS that I've just got as well. And I've got a bunch of parts that have been laying around for forever from the Monaro and whatnot. So I've got the T56 in there. I've got the clutch there. I've got a 6-litre Holly loom there in that. There's the e-brake, the chase base one. I'm going to steal the fuel system out of the Monaro because this one's going in, and so I'll have that one spare, fuel system and the surge tank, and that'll be going in this. And it's a forged 6-litre from Mick from Paul Pavlou's. He's changed his mind on his combo again in his Prem, so we've worked out a deal and he's looked after me. And yeah, so basically I've got a fair bit of stuff for this car to just get going. And Jace from Tough Mounts is going to help me out with mounts and whatnot. I remember speaking to him a little while ago. I'll just have to refresh his memory. But I'll probably have to get a aftermarket set of extractors that a bunch of companies do them for these. So yeah, so I'll probably get them and then send it all over to Jason, get him to do some mounts for me and trans mount, and then we can get this car underway, because it shouldn't take too much, famous last words, but this is the car, and this is something I've sort of been looking for a while. This car's been up on Marketplace for a little while, so I've had it in the back of my head for a long time. That's something that just would work and be cool and be a really, really fast car with this, apparently 600 horsepower LS. So I'm gonna have to do a few adjustments in here. There's a little bit of room here for the seat to come back. Not a whole lot, but I do fit in there. But I'll probably have to change up a pedal box, steering column, and the rest of this sort of stuff. But maybe get a bar across the top here and get one of those collapsible steering columns in there. But I do fit in here. It's got a pretty, let me just jump in here. So yeah, I'm in pretty well there. I might pull that checker plate out, I reckon, just because my big feet aren't gonna really work that well in there with that. But yeah, I mean, a few other things I need to pull out. Like that's not gonna work for me, that little step there. But yeah, so we've, it's got a lot of the hard work done so far. But yeah, I'm so excited to get into this and actually get into some proper drifting. So, well, not proper, just learn how to do it and do a bit of circuit stuff. I'd love to be able to do the Adelaide Rally in this as well. I think it's a perfect car for it. I'll probably change this seat over for one of the Velo ones in the Monaro and move this one over here to the passenger. But yeah, I've got a heap of stuff I can do with this, but it'll be pushed to the side for a little bit. Not too long, hopefully. My engine will be here in a few days, so that's good. And then I can sort of probably mate the trans and everything up to it and get that sorted, and then get it to Jace at Tough Mounts and go from there. But this is something I'm loving at the minute. So and keen to get this project going, as well as all my other stuff, the Monaro, the RBHX, the F-Truck. Everything's sort of starting to move forward, but I'm gonna try not to spend too much money. But yeah, so that's where we're at. This is the car. It is it's gonna be a cool project, and it's gonna be a tough little car. So cannot wait to get this going, and yeah, be able to sort of thrash around Mallala, the Bend, wherever else I'm able to, because we don't have a drag strip here at the moment. It's I want to try and get to as many other events as I can. But yeah, so fingers crossed we can have this one going soon and go from there. Yeah, so that'll be it for this clip. It's only going to be a short one, but there's a bit more coming up in the new segment of Chuck's Garage, which I had Jake Jones in. So that'll be coming up soon. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the little bell so you know when I'm posting. Plenty more to come. Cheers. See you guys.